On the day 6 of farmers' protests in India, a fourth round of talks are set to be held between farmers and the government later today. Ahead of the crucial meeting, the farmers demanded an ordinance from the government to provide a legal guarantee over one of their main demands, the minimum support price. The government panel comprising of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Minister Arjun Munda, Minister of Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal and Minister of State for Home Affairs Nityanand Rai will meet the farmer leaders.
देखिए आज वो बात करेंगे और मेरे को आशा है कि इसका कोई न कोई समाधान निकलेगा। एमएसपी पे कोई फैसला सरकार तुरंत लेना चाहिए।
The first three rounds of talks between the two sides remain inconclusive. Meanwhile, the Haryana state government has extended the ban on mobile internet and bulk SMS services in at least 7 districts, including Ambala and Kurukshetra, till the 19th of February. Amid the ongoing agitation, Bharatiya Kisan Union has announced that farmers will stage a sit-in protest in the states of Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and Uttarakhand on the 21st of February. Besides a legal guarantee of MSP, the protesters have asked for pensions for farmers and farm labourers, farm debt waiver, no hike in electricity tariff and also compensation for the families of the farmers who died during a previous agitation in the years 2020 to 2021. Among the demands is also the reinstatement of the Land Acquisition Act of 2013. The Act places more power in the hands of landowners. It states that government or private entities will have to get the consent of the original landowners before acquiring any land.
यहाँ पर 40-40 किले, 50-50, 100-100 किले के भी जो बड़े-बड़े किसान हैं वो भी भूखे मर रहे हैं। लोन चढ़ा हुआ है उनके ऊपर, तो इसलिए सारे यहाँ आए हुए हैं। अगर हालत ठीक होती किसानों की तो इस तरह के आंदोलन होते, इस तरह की गोलियां खाते, आंसू गैस के गोले फेंके जा रहे हैं, हमारे कई साथी शहीद हो रहे हैं, तो ऐसा तो मजबूरी है।
The protesters have continued to be at Shambhu and Kanori points on Punjab's border with Haryana. Farmer unions have said that if the government does not accept the demands, they will launch a tractor march to the national capital of Delhi, possibly on the 26th and 27th of February. In fact, just yesterday, farmers paused their protest on the road to Delhi. They parked their tractors in readiness along one of the main roads leading to the national capital. The halt and agitation will be maintained until the fourth round of talks are held between the government and protesters, which is going to start in just minutes from now. Our correspondent Dharamjot Kaur gets you the latest from the ground.
Day 6 of the farmers' agitation. We are here on ground zero at the Haryana-Punjab Shambhu border. Now today is a very important day. The fourth meeting between the centre and farm union leaders will be the deciding factor if the government agrees on giving a legal guarantee on the minimum support price. Now we're literally meters away from the border where a lot of barricading has been done by the BSF and the state police. But of course the farmers here are saying that this is a do or die situation for them. If the meeting again becomes inconsequential and it ends in a deadlock, the farmers have decided that they will be heading towards the national capital to make sure that the demands are heard. However, if the centre agrees to legalizing MSP and other demands that have been put forth, the farmers will happily return home. With video journalist Shekhar, this is Dharamjot Kaur for WION World is One.